Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will explain my discussion text Gen Z and emotional sensitivity, strength or weakness. Gen Z is often described as emotional sensitivity generation. They are more open about their feelings, emotions, and mental health than previous generations, and they express themselves freely through social media, conversation, and creativity activities. Emotional sensitivity means that Gen Z is aware about their own feeling and the feelings of others, which makes them empathic, caring, capable, and understanding complex social issues. However, this same sensitivity can be misunderstood by older generation or society who sometimes see it as weakness, a sign of overacting or inability to handle stress. In this presentation, I will explain why emotional sensitivity can be both a strength and a challenge for Gen Z. Explanation sentence by sentence. Gen Z is often described as an emotional sensitivity generation. This sentence introduces the main topic by stating that Gen Z is known for being emotional sensitivity. They are more open about their feelings, emotion, and mental health than previous generation. Gen Z express emotion and talk about mental health more openly compared to older generation, and they express themselves freely through social media, conversation, and creativity activities. Gen Z use different platform activities to share their feelings and to emotional sensitivity means that Gen Z aware of about their own feeling and the feeling of others. Emotional sensitivity is differently as understanding person emotion and other people emotion, which make them empathic, caring, capable, and understanding complex social issue. Because of the sensitivity, Gen Z can empathize with others and understand social problems. However, the same sensitivity can be misunderstood by older generation or society. The sentence show contrast, explaining that not every says emotion sensitivity positively, who sometimes see it as weakness, a sign for overacting or inability to handle stress. Society may judge emotion sensitivity as something negative. In the presentation, I will explain why emotional sensitivity can be both a strength and challenge for Gen Z. This sentence states the purpose of discussion text. And then next paragraph. Emotional sensitivity allows Gen Z to be more empathic, understanding, and social aware. They notice the feeling of friends, family, and even strangers, which helps them build stronger relationship and support networks. The sensitivity also encourages self-reflection and honesty. Gen Z is more likely to acknowledge their own emotional recognize when they feel stress and take steps manage their mental health. Being emotional sensitive allows them to respond to social issues with compassion and awareness, such as supporting mental health or being active in social movements. In this way, emotional sensitivity is a real strength that helps Gen Z grow emotionally, socially, and even professionally. Okay, explanation sentence. Emotion sensitive allow Gen Z to be more empathic, understanding, and society aware. Emotion sensitivity helps Gen Z understand others and be aware of social situation. They notice the feeling of friends, family, even strangers. Gen Z can recognize emotion and people around them, which help them build stronger relationship and support system. This sensitivity also increases self and reaction and honest. Emotional sensitivity makes Gen Z more honest with themselves. Okay. The next paragraph. Despite its benefit, emotional sensitivity can also bring challenge. Gen Z often feels overwhelmed by academic pressure, social expectation, and content complaints on social media. Negative comment, criticism, and even small failures can affect their emotional deeply, causing stress, anxiety, and self-doubt. Sometimes being too sensitive makes it harder to handle conflict, critics, and rejection in daily life. Without proper support, guidance, or emotional control, this sensitivity can feel like a burden rather an advantage. Therefore, while emotional awareness is important, Gen Z also needs strategies to manage emotion and maintain balance in their life. Explanation sentence and contest compared in social media. Social media increase pressure to comparison. Then critics and negative comment, critics, and even small failures can affect their emotional deeply. Is criticism and failure impact Gen Z emotionally, causing stress, anxiety, or self-doubt? This situation can lead to mental health problems. Okay. The conclusion. In conclusion, emotion sensitivity is not entirely a weakness, not is a flaw in Gen Z. It both a strange and challenge depending on how it's managed and supported. With self-awareness, emotional regulation, and guide from family, friends, and schools, Gen Z can turn sensitivity into a valuable skill that enhances empathy, emotional intelligence, and social awareness. Research then criticizing this generation for being emotional society should recognize and encourage their emotional growth, because emotional sensitivity is what can make Gen Z a thoughtful and caring and strong generation in the modern world. Explanation. Okay. Society should recognize and encourage their emotional growth. Emotional development should be supported, because emotional sensitivity is what can make Gen Z thoughtful, caring, and strong generation. Emotional sensitivity help Gen Z become better individuals. In the modern world, this is relevant to today's society. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.